Hi guys, let's wait few more minutes so that other attendees can join. Good evening, everyone. Today I'm excited to talk about the topic called human-centric design principles. I'm Danny, working as a UX/UI designer at Spikra for past 1 year. So along with me, Sangeeta, product consultant at Spikra. In this webinar, we are going to see about human-centric. Before the webinar begins, we'll conduct a poll. Kindly provide your responses. We have got results for the first poll. Most of them have clicked. It's beautiful and eye-catching, and some of them clicked. It feels natural and natural and easy. So, and we have one more poll to run. Yes, you can start voting. Most important to you as a user. So some of them have, most of them have opted for clarity and simplicity, and 25 percentage of people voted for a personalized experience. Yeah, thanks. Yeah. Let's dive into the topics. So we are going to cover six topics of contents. So first is introduction of human-centric design, and second one is core principles of human-centric design and the process of human-centric design. What's the best practice of applying human-centric design in your designs? So we have a conclusion, and finally we have Q&A sections. Introduction to human-centric. So what basic design is? So human-centric design is a problem-solving approach, so that focuses on the users, their needs, behavior, and the emotions. So the idea is to deeply understand the people who are designing for. So we can create experiences with, and human-centric design puts people first and ensures the technology serves human, not the other way around. So for example, if we are designing a mobile app, instead of just focusing on a fancy or any fancy features, we would prioritize making it intuitive and easy to use, so that anyone can regardlessly use the ability and navigate it smoothly. So our next topic is core principles of human-centric design. Will the core principles of five principles. So first is empathy, second one is usability, intuitive design, and collaboration and simplicity. So first is empathy. What is empathy? Empathy is like we need to step into users' shoes and understand their frustrations, desires, and the behavior. So this requires a user research, user interviews, and so Second one is usability. Usability is like a product should not just look good, it should be more functional and easy to use. If the user is struggling to complete a basic task, then the design has failed. It's completely like gone wrong. So next, iterative design. We should like we don't get everything right at the first time, right? So that's why we prototype, test, and refine continuously. It's like great design happens when designers, stakeholders, developers, and users work together to find the best solutions. So simplicity is like avoiding unnecessary complexity. User should accomplish their goals with minimal effort and easy to use. So we have a small example. Like this is the picture which I showed. No, so it's a Norman door. Here the problem is like here we find two handles on the same side. So the design interrupted human brain into cognitive stress, like seeing handles triggers an action to pull it off. So the best solution is we can make a solution like the push part of the door doesn't need a handle. Design a door with handles only in the pull side of the door. Leave the push side with a plain pad. As humans, we all will use the push door as automatically if we don't see a handle. So, yeah. Our third topic is human-centric design process. We have five process. So we have empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and test. So all these five process are interlinked with each other. So we'll get into detailed about this each topic. So research and discovery. Like in research and discovery, we gather insights through user interviews, surveys, and observations. In define process, so we analyze the research to identify key pain points and the challenges faced by the user. So that will be like define the problem to get into the proper designs. Third one is ideation and brainstorming. We generate creative solutions through brainstorming and sketching. Like we probably like uses normal brainstorming. So it will give generate innovative solutions to take the design into the next level. So next, fourth one is prototyping and testing. We build quick mockups and test them with real users to get feedbacks from the user point of view, so that we can analyze the pain points and the pain points faced by them. So it can be like properly properly changed as the point of the users. So next one is implementation and iteration. So even after launch, we keep refining the product based on the user feedback. The user feedback, like the users can give a feedback whether they are the flow is smooth, or something like they have some any the design looks like any pushes to the cognitive strength. So this implementation and iteration process gives the progress in refining kind of thing. So fourth topic is how human-centric design gives the best practice for applying. So we have to conduct user interviews and surveys. So we have to get the direct feedback from the real users, so that it will be so helpful to make the designs even more proper and looks good. Create user personas. These are fictional representation of users to guide design decisions, so that the UX process will be get uh, more deeper. So next is implement accessibility standards. Consider people with disabilities and ensure inclusivity. So this will like the design should be more in a that should be in a more proper way, so that every user should use the product or things look with any disturbance. So next is continuously gather feedbacks. User needs in evolving, so design should be too. So we have a real world example. So in this, I have to give a two differentiate between Google and Yahoo's UI portal. So here we have Google focuses on the one thing search. Okay, so the interface is incredibly simple and user centric. In Yahoo, on the other side, tries to be the portal with lot of content on the home page, while it offers more information, but it also gives the users overwhelmed. So just want to complete a quick task. So the conclusion. So to wrap it up, the human-centric design is about putting people first. So it ensures product not only the functional, it also intuitive, exclusive, and delightful to use. So yeah. So we have a quote said by Donald A. Norman. So good design is invisible. When a product works seamlessly, people don't notice it. When it is poorly designed, everyone notices. It's a good line by Donald R. Norman. So yeah, that's it. So do you have any questions? You can put it in the chat box. Guys, if you have any questions to ask, you can put it in the chat box. Let's wait 2 more minutes. Yeah, will the recording will be the posted in the YouTube, so you can check it out there. Yeah, our channel name is Pikra. So if you have any more questions, you can drop the questions in sales@spikra.com. And we have the YouTube channel called Spikra. We also share the YouTube link in this chat. Please have a look on it. I've dropped the YouTube link in the chat box. Please have a look on it. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the valuable time. Thank you, guys.